Want to buy and sell stocks in ThinkOrSwim but don't know where to start? Let me show you with Apple stock as an example. Welcome to How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. Here's how to place your first buy and sell orders on ThinkOrSwim using AAPL. At the top left, type AAPL and hit enter to pull up Apple's chart. Click the green buy button next to the current price. A buy order entry box appears below. Set order type to market to buy instantly at market price. Enter 10 shares or any amount you want. Click confirm and send, review the order details, and hit send to place the order. Once you own shares, go to positions. Find your Apple stock position. Click the red sell button next to it. Set order type to market, enter 10 shares to sell, and click confirm and send. Review and hit send to sell. Market orders execute immediately at the current price. Limit orders let you pick your price but may not fill right away. That's it, buying and selling Apple stock in ThinkOrSwim made simple. Thanks for watching How to Literally, and see you in the next one.